What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on Solana because once again this coin is currently forming here pretty interesting trading setup. So if you are interested about the exact trade that I'm planning to take here, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you, if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under the video, because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today's analysis on the 4-hour chart. You can see that right now we are forming here this rising wedge, which is a bearish setup, but in my opinion there is still like an opportunity for a long trade. But first of all, let's start with the short scenario based on the technical analysis. So if now there will be a testing, breakout and resistance confirmation of this let's say smaller rising wedge, then I expect that we will go test the liquidity to this bullish order block, which is between levels 55.29 and 54.55. So the short trade can look, for example, like this. As I said, I would wait here for that breakdown and resistance confirmation. Stop loss in that case you can put somewhere back to this rising wedge, and the last take profit target above this bullish order block, which will give you a risk reward ratio around 5.89. And in this case, I would probably also take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits I would take above these two previous lows, then some of the profits above this lows, then this low, and then save some, let's say, back to the last take profit target, which in the end will give you a risk reward ratio, let's say, around 4, which is still pretty good. But I think that we can also use this bullish order block for opening a really like interesting long position. So if there will be like a testing, fake out, and then again support confirmation above this bullish order block, I think that there can be a pretty good opportunity for a long trade. Stop loss in that case, if you want to have, let's say, really safe stop loss, you can put under this previous like strong low. So you are having here like 7.7% stop loss of the net loss, and if you want to have, let's say, more risky stop loss, you can put it under the low that we will create during that fake out. So it can look, let's say, for example, like this. As the last take profit target, you can use the current week high, which will give you a risk reward ratio around 10.2, and you can see this is like much better than the short scenario. And of course you can like choose higher take profit targets. You don't even have to use like the current week high as your last take profit, which will give you in the end the risk reward ratio even better. But these scenarios are for the bearish case, and there is like no guarantee that there will be like actually that breakdown and resistance confirmation, but if it will, I just want you to be prepared on that. But as I said in the intro, I am also watching here like interesting opportunity to opening a long position. Honestly, I don't want to open any trading position while we are in this rising wedge, because the risk reward ratio here is simply not that good. Maybe you can speculate like on the short if there will be like resistance confirmation from this resistance of this rising wedge, but the main setup that I'm currently watching here will be valid after like breakout and support confirmation above this rising wedge, because you can see that, for example, on the 12-hour chart we are having here historically almost zero liquidity in this area. So I think that if there will be actually that breakout and support confirmation, we will have here another interesting opportunity for opening a long trade. But also you can see that on this 12-hour chart we have like the main resistance area between levels approximately 82 and let's say 77. So if you want to open here some, let's say, a long-term long position, I would wait for a support confirmation of like this previous support as well. Anyway, let's now get back to the 4-hour chart scenario. So if the market will do, let's say, for example, like this, and there will be like a breakout and support confirmation, then I think that the stop loss you should probably put at least under this previous week high, so under the level approximately 79.53, and as the last take profit target, I would probably choose the level 100, which will be probably like really important psychological resistance, and this long scenario will give you risk reward ratio around 8. 0.94. And in my opinion, this is currently the best setup on the 4-hour chart. Of course, better setup will be valid probably like after breakout and support confirmation of this bullish order block, because it will give us like much better risk reward ratio. But in my opinion, this scenario for this long trade is now much more probable. As I said, on the 12-hour chart, you can see that we have here like this important resistance. So if you want to open here, let's say some long-term long position, and you want to speculate on like a higher, let's say levels, for example, I don't know, level 140, 180, or something like that, then I would definitely also wait for that support confirmation on the daily time frame, and support confirmation, of course, like of this resistance area. There is like high probability that if there will be like actually the support confirmation on the 4-hour chart above this resistance of this rising wedge, then we are actually gonna do the support confirmation like on the daily time frame. But yeah, I just want to tell you that because yeah, you need to keep that in mind, because this was like historically, for example, here important resistance, here it was like important support, and here after breakdown and resistance confirmation we had here like another quick dump. So yeah, definitely also keep an eye on this area. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. The RSI is currently on the level approximately 53, so the coin is not like undervalued, the coin is not like overvalued. So I think that from this point there is also a good opportunity for both long and short trades, but of course we need to wait for that certain conditions to be met. But anyway, if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group where I am sharing the analysis every single day. But yeah, this will be all for me for today. The link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. See ya.